Oh, hello, YouTubers, and I'll be making a YouTube video on Subway Surfers. Don't worry, it'll be real quick. It's a real quick download. I hope it is. Let's see. Oh, looks like one of my cousins in this game. See, I'm the ninja on this one. Update that. Not buying her. Just need to do a quick little game. Oh, it's Subway Surfers because it has a lot of obstacles to jump on. See. Guess that's a new word I have to find. Oh, hey, it's the trains moving. Sweet. Okay, train. Name.
Fuck you, bitch.
A, the S, and the T, and cast. Dang it. Wow, I just missed the T and cast. So, I guess we missed that one. Yay. Okay, I got caught on that one. Yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna waste myself. Okay, so I guess that's the end of this video. If you guys liked it, there'll be more, so see ya. Oops.